This is question 10, page 484, and this is test 2, section 8. So it says, if x plus y squared equals 100 and x minus y squared equals 16, what is the value of x times y? Okay, so for this problem, you have these squares. So this one is not the difference of two squares, so you can just take the square root of each side and you'll get x plus y equals technically plus or minus 10 because 10 is the square root of 100. And then for this side, you can also take the square root. So you get x minus y equals plus or minus 4. What is the value of xy? Okay, so then there's a couple of ways you could do this. You could do it through various systems of equations. So you could just combine these two statements and the y's would cancel and you get 2x equals 14. So x equals 7. And then you could plug that in. So x plus y equals 10. You can plug in 7 here. 7 plus y equals 10. So then you know that y is 3. So then xy will be 3 times 7, which is 21. You could also express one variable in terms of the other variable, so I'll show you how to do that. So I'll just make some room. So you want to pause if you're reviewing this manner of approaching this problem. Okay, so if you wanted to express one variable in terms of the other variable, you'd say you'd subtract y on each side. So x equals 10 minus y. And then you'd plug that in to your other equation as your x value. So 10 minus y equals 4. So 10 minus 2y equals 4, and then subtract 10 from each side. So then you get negative 2y equals negative 6. So y equals 3 when you divide on each side. And then just as we did in the last way we approached this problem, then you would just plug in y equals 3 into either of these two equations. So you'd get x minus positive 3 equals 4. And then just add 3 on each side, and you'll get that x is 7. And then 7 as x times y, which is 3, gives you 21.